Hello everybody, XJoe81X, and welcome to the brush in the kitchen. Do you like the summer? Do you like it when it's really hot, muggy, disgusting, whatever? And you want to put ice in your drink? Iced coffee, iced tea, iced cappuccino, latte, frappe, yuppe, iPhone, millennial, I don't know what else to do. So without going further, that means, thank you. Hit like, hit subscribe. Now, do you like this thing? See how it's not a blizzard, but it's almost, right? Sorry. You like this? McDonald's and Dunkin' Donuts came out with this the end of June or July. This is called a cold brew frozen coffee. McDonald's and Dunkin' Donuts have this big margarita machine with ice. They have pre-made coffee from the factory because it takes too much time. It's called fast food. And one thing talks to the other. They blend it and it comes out like this. Now, of course, there's more additives in the coffee. There's more milk. There's whatever the science is. But this is it. It's frozen. You know, it's liquid on the bottom. It's, chilling down. I love it. This is great. I'm going to enjoy this. Problem is, it's like $3.98 for a small. They get you with the medium, $4.05 maybe, $4.15, and then you're like, oh fuck, and then the large. But the medium's a joke because there's a couple YouTube hacks where they buy small, medium, and large, and they put the ounces in, and I think large was not even a full ounce more than a medium. So anyway, we're gonna make one, and by the power of not turning this on, we've made a lot. This was full, and it's melting. This is just enough to start everybody, and it's also a frappuccino or a mocha latte or something. And I'm not gonna lie, I've spent a couple of minutes on YouTube seeing how other people across the YouTube nation make theirs. So this is how I make mine. Okay, now again, as I go, a lot, it's different. Some people don't like it frozen, some people like, whatever. Okay, so you have to start with milk because I think I tried with coffee and the milk just helps it a little bit. It says half a cup of milk, but if you put more milk, it's less tasting coffee. But so we're gonna go a little bit more coffee. We're gonna keep the same fluid. We're just gonna keep the more coffee. So we're just going to put not a half a cup, but just enough. Again, I'm not measuring. I'm sorry. I know everyone's going to be like, what the fuck, bro? Is that 3 ounces? Is that fucking 2? I don't know what that is. What is that, bro? All right. Pyrex. Just fucking slammed my finger in the thing. You know what it is? You want to know what it is, everybody? You want to fuck around? Okay. It's 4 ounces. Yeah, Pyrex. 4 ounces. And for everyone in Europe, it's 100 milliliters, metric, whatever. 4 ounces. All right, now I gotta clean that. Watch it go loops. Now, you put a little chocolate in there for just a little taste. I just have this You Bet stuff because I was making the seltzer thing. The fuck. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 count. Take it because of the air. Oh, excuse me. Oh, now this is a graphic video. Okay, a little bit of sugar to taste. Everything's to taste. So a little bit of sugar. Here it is. Bing. Or what was that guy? Bam. I didn't met that guy, but I broke something. Right. So a little bit of cinnamon. So we're adding the accoutrement right now. Doesn't matter. It's to taste. So same as the sugar, maybe, like that. Bam. Okay, da-da-da-da-da. So they say, now take the ice. I know, wait 1 second. They say fill the cup, we're using this for clear purposes. fill the cup you want to put the ice in. Now that it's all melted. Okay, I'm gonna add some more ice because exactly, I'll tell you later. So now that this video is fucked, okay, so now we're just gonna put some fresh coffee in a glass because I don't want it to go everywhere. So 1 cup of coffee. Now remember, the more fluid you add, the more ice you need to make the perfect blend. Okay? Now this is good. It's more milky because I did a half a cup of milk. So here's a full cup of coffee. So we're gonna chooch that in, full cup. Okay, I know, never mind, hold on. Okay, never mind, we'll do it right. Okay, 1 full cup of coffee. Well, we want to keep everything at 1 cup, so we're gonna go half the coffee. So that's about it. We'll see. I already noticing it's a little bit high in the fluid mark. So now we have our ice. We're gonna go a little bit more with the ice. Now that it's melting, ciao for now. We're gonna put it on. I like to put it on. I mean, now I have to figure out. Fucking piece of shit. Fucking cow dog. Stir. Slowly stirs it. You know, and oh, got stuck, huh? Well, no, I'm making it stuck. Right. No. Slowly stirring it. All right, let's go to whip. Oh, macarena. You're a little crazy, like to shake it, you know? Belligerent. So let's take it off and, see? A little bit too much. A little bit too much. So we're gonna go a little bit more ice, and then we're done with the ice. This video is pretty much done. I have no more ice. So thank you for driving through. We're gonna go less fluid. I know the video was a little like, wait, what? Should have went less milk, a tad more, and then the same coffee. Or you just don't have to do milk. You could try this 100 different times. As long as you add ice, you could just do coffee. I tried doing the coffee, but what happens is the coffee would froth because it's just coffee, and then there would be nothing in there. Oh, we're gonna stir it on, and then we're gonna hit whip. So this is okay. We'll get rid of this, you know. Oh, how do you do that? You can't do that. Oh, power of the kitchen. Okay, we're done. Let's see what this looks like. See, a little chunky. Yeah, a little chunky. That's what you want, huh? That's what you want. This one is better because I made it off camera and I wasn't being stupid. Here you have a little bit more liquidy consistency, but let's taste it. More coffee. So it's a labor of love. You can see the cinnamon in it. This is the same exact thing I did. It's just how big were the ice cubes, how much milk I put in. I think the trick is, if I could interject, I think the trick is to keep all the fluid, sugar, everything you add under about the 1 cup. The less fluid and more ice, the more slush. That's what this is. That's why this looks like that. I added more coffee, less milk, and this is a little liquidy. So that's how I make my summer of 2018 frozen cold brew coffee mix. It's a little bit nonchalant, haphazardly, a lot of holes, but it gets you started. And for all those people out there that made 100 videos off camera and 17 bags of ice, well, this is real. You got the consistency, and then you're gonna pretty much make it the exact same way. I would just leave a lot of the fluid under a cup, and like I said, less fluid, more ice, more slush. Or you might just want to. It's to taste too. Like this is turning into a slush as it's sitting here. This is great. Thanks hitting. That's really it. Hit like, hit subscribe. There's more hot coffee left. You could shoot. What's the coffee that's left? You could shoot that in here if you want. Now that's all over the floor. Fuck with me. What happens is it'll melt. Shake it up, shake it like a Polaroid picture. Right, remember that guy? Right. Scatman, he's dead. It's even more. It's beautiful. Now I'm just rambling. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know. Ciao for now.